Have you had shoulder or arm pain in the last 30 days? If you have, I want to invite you to a very special event. It's the Shoulder Pain and Rotator Cuff Workshop that I'm hosting right here in Wodonga on behalf of my practice, Personal Best Physiotherapy. This workshop is for anyone suffering with shoulder pain who is looking for help in the form of exercise and specialised hands-on treatment, and also someone who is looking to not rely on medications, injections and surgery. Hi, I'm Nathan Mobbs, and I just want to share with you what you're going to learn when you attend our upcoming shoulder pain and rotator cuff workshop. At the workshop, the first thing you're going to learn is why relying on your MRI, ultrasound or X-ray alone can stop you getting the treatment you need, and the other key pieces of information you must have to make a diagnosis. The second thing you'll learn is the essential role of exercise in the treatment of shoulder pain. At the workshop, we'll show you a method for working out which exercises you should be doing to help you start feeling better. Third, I'm going to go over the top 3 causes of shoulder pain that we see in our practice. 2 of these you may have heard of. One of them isn't as well known and it won't show up on your shoulder X-ray, MRI or ultrasound, which means it often gets missed. I'll be doing a live demonstration of treatment at the workshop, and you'll also have an opportunity to get your specific questions answered on the day. To register, click on the Register Now box and fill in your details. When you do, we'll contact you to confirm your registration and also send you out a worksheet which you need to bring along with you to the workshop. You'll also receive 3 introductory videos to help you get the most out of the workshop. We only have room for 25 people. If you want to come along, you need to reserve your spot. Just click on the Register Now box, fill in your details, and I'll see you there.